This is my cat, Autumn. Oh, sorry. I'm okay, Autumn. She's an outside cat. She talks a lot. I talk to her a lot. Meow. 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 She likes it whenever I itch her right here on her throat, like underneath her chin. See, as you can tell. Meow. I talk to her in cat language, but I don't really know what I'm saying. And it looks like she's been fighting and stuff, because as you can see on her head. But I said, have you been fighting? Well, have you been getting beat up? Have you been getting beat up? She was like, nah. I was like, did she just really say no? That mailman inside that truck, he's very nice. Meow. 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 She has vicious green eyes. She's not afraid to fight for herself. Meow. 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 I gave her a piece of ham earlier. She got down on
Hey,
the ham.
you gonna come eat a bowl of cereal, please?
Yeah.
Come eat a bowl of cereal. Okay, we'll come eat a bowl of cereal.
That was my mom telling me I should eat a bowl of cereal. But today I will be showing you my daily routine. This one is going to be my summer daily routine. She's trying to find the voice. I think she knows that it's me. Meow. Meow. Dun dun dun. Oh my god, let's get the crap out of her. Meow. Yeah, you feel the sand over there? Look at the light. Look at the light. As you can see her heart beating. But you don't literally see her heart, but. Okay. So I hope you like the video for this morning. And don't forget to watch my daily routine, which will be after this video. So don't forget to watch it.